Hello friends, some important MCQs for pharmacist exam. Capsules in which powders are enclosed made up of gelatin. Douches are meant for the application in vaginal cavity. Douches are meant for the application in vaginal cavity. In females, the drug should be given very carefully in which stage? Menstruation, lactation, and pregnancy. All of these is the answer. In females, the drug should be given very carefully in which stage? Menstrual, lactation, and pregnancy. All these stages. When two or more drugs are used in combination to increase the pharmacological action, the phenomenon is known as synergism. When two or more drugs are used in combination to increase pharmacological action, the phenomenon is known as synergism. When the action of drug is opposed by the other drug, the phenomenon is known as antagonism. The synergism and antagonism, these are very important questions. When the action of drug is opposed by the other drug, the phenomenon is known as antagonism. DAS is a state of psych and physical drug dependence. Addiction. DAS is a state of psychic or physical drug dependence. It's addiction. Acute tolerance is known as tachyphylaxis. Acute tolerance is known as tachyphylaxis. A genetically determined abnormal or unusual response to a drug is idiosyncrasy. A genetically determined abnormal or unusual response to a drug is idiosyncrasy. Powders used for external use are dusting powders. Powders used for external use are dusting powders. Bulk powders are non-potent. Bulk powders are non-potent. Insufflations are introduced into which of these body's cavity? Insufflations are introduced into which of these body cavity? Insufflation are introduced into our nose, throat, and ears. So all of this is the answer. Powders are more stable than syrup. Powder forms are more stable than syrups. A suitable dash is added to maintain the powders until the mass becomes coherent but not too damp. Granulating agent. A suitable dash is added to maintain the powder until the mass becomes coherent but not too damp. Granulating agent. What will increase the bulk of product? Diluent. Diluent will increase the bulk or volume of product. According to IP 2007, oral powders are finely divided. According to IP 2007, oral powders are finely divided. Which powder must be sterilized before their use? Surgical dusting powders. Which powders must be sterilized before their use? Surgical dusting powders. The monophasic liquid dosage forms is dash solution, true solution. The monophasic liquid dosage form is true solution. The component present in solution in small quantity is known as solute. The component present in solution in small quantity is known as solute. The component present in solution in large quantity is known as solvent. The component present in solution in large quantity is known as solvent. Solutions are dash dosage forms. Solutions are monophasic dosage forms. Throat paints are viscous liquid preparations. Throat paints are viscous liquid preparations. Nasal drops should have a pH of 5 to 6. Nasal drops have a pH of 5 to 6. Nasal drops are isotonic. Nasal drops are isotonics. Enemas are also called clystric. Enemas are also called clystric. The syrup is nearly saturated solution of sucrose. Syrup is nearly a saturated solution of sucrose. The syrup is aqueous in nature. The syrup is aqueous in nature. Which of the following is not monophasic liquid dosage form? Suspension. All other than that are monophasic liquid dosage forms. Eli- Elixirs are hydroalcoholic liquid. Elixirs are hydroalcoholic liquid. Das is not a type of syrup. Mixed syrup. Das is not a type of syrup. Mixed syrup. All other than mixed syrup are a type of syrup. Liniments must not be applied on the dash skin. Liniments must not be applied on broken skin. Enemas are administered rectally. Enemas are administered rectally. Dash drops are usually in aortic cavity, ear. Dash drops are used in aortic cavity, ears. Like and subscribe our channel for further videos. These are the most basic question which a candidate should know. Thank you.